Imagine for a moment if you are in the middle of the ocean with your teammates in a ship, and you have no life jacket with you and no lifeboat with you, and you find that, or your teammate find that your boat have a small hole, which is water is going uh, inserted into your boat. And at the time, what you feel, you have just only one plan to repair the hole. You have nothing another plan to do this. And at that time, you feel you are in a very trouble condition, you are in a insidious condition. So, wishing you a nice day. We found in the scenario that if we have not the plan B or not another plan or not a safe plan with us, then we may be get in a very big trouble in our life. Even the student who are preparing for UPSC examination or SSC examination, they have also another plan. If they have not succeeded in SSC, they have to go for a banking sector or in another sector. If we consider about the UPSC student who are preparing for UPSC or IPS or IRS, they have another choice. If they didn't get a IAS officer, they may be a IRS officer or a IPS officer. So in the another scenario, if you consider about the industry sector have there a very rude rule to the safety condition. If you are not obey the safety condition, you are not allowed to the industry. And even also in a um, uh, small fuel pump or petrol pump, we found that there are a safety condition of CO2, carbon dioxide are in present to fire extinguisher, is a form of fire extinguisher. So in everywhere there is some plan of safety plan, or we can say this plan B. If the first plan is not going to be succeed, then we are going for the second plan. If we have not the second plan in our life, then we can be go in a very insidious condition. We can go in a very deleterious condition. So after this, I want to rest my word with here and signing out this side, Ranjan Giri. Thank you.